Why is over-objecting in court a bad strategy? Imagine being in a courtroom where objections are flying left and right. It can feel like a game of whack-a-mole, but is that really helping your case? When lawyers object too often, especially to minor or questionable issues, it can backfire. Objections are meant to protect the fairness of the trial, but overusing them can cause more harm than good. In a trial, an objection is a formal protest made by an attorney during the testimony or questioning. Its goal is to challenge evidence that might be unfair or improper. But for objections to work well, they need to be timely, specific, and based on real legal reasons like relevance or hearsay. If you object to everything, even the small stuff, it can irritate the judge and jury. They might see you as trying to stall or distract, which hurts your credibility. Constant objections also disrupt the natural flow of the trial. When testimonies are interrupted repeatedly, it makes the proceedings seem choppy and confusing. This can make it harder for jurors to follow the story and understand the facts. Plus, if you over-object, the judge might start ignoring your valid objections. They could see your frequent protests as a sign that you lack confidence in your case or are just trying to block the other side. There's also a risk of sanctions or ethical issues. Courts expect objections to be made in good faith and for solid reasons. Repeated frivolous objections can lead to warnings or disciplinary actions against the attorney, which can damage their reputation and the client's case. And from the juror's perspective, too many objections might make them suspicious. They could think you're hiding something or trying to manipulate the process, which can influence their judgment negatively. Effective trial lawyers know when to object and when to let certain questions or evidence go. Over-objecting often signals weakness or uncertainty about the case. Instead, they focus on protecting their client's interests without causing unnecessary delays or confusion. It's best to reserve objections for clear violations of evidence rules like relevance, hearsay, or lack of foundation. In the end, understanding how and when to object is a key part of courtroom strategy. Objections are tools to keep the trial fair, but overusing them can turn the courtroom against you. It can annoy the judge and jury, weaken your position, and make your case less persuasive. Mastering the art of timely, justified objections helps keep the trial running smoothly and shows confidence in your case.